Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Chieftec's Apex and Apex Air Cases. So friends, Chieftec is excited to announce the launch of a new family of E-ATX gaming cases in the Apex series, and a series that starts with the ARGB-Glass Apex and Max Airflow focused Apex Air. So friends, the Apex case features a sleek and modern design, executed by a temporary glass panel that not only showcase your powerful hardware but also include 4 pre-installed 120mm ARGB fans with control hub, adding a touch of elegance to your setup. And the ARGB fans offer a spectrum of pre-programmed color modes as well as ARGB mainboard sync, allowing you to customize the lighting according to your mode or gaming rig theme. And the full mesh front panel allow for an ideal airflow to cool even the most demanding modern gaming systems. And with 3 140mm fans pre-installed, the Apex Air allow for highly effective cooling, while Air allow for keeping RPM, therefore noise level to a minimum. And with PWM fan speed control, you can further optimize the thermal performance and noise level to their ideal setup. And with no RGB elements pre-installed, the Apex Air lands its star perfectly for more subtle and unsubtle builds. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon